So you want to increase your bust size because you want to look more feminine, and you feel more secure, more confident when you have a little bigger bust size and you look more feminine. So I will suggest you, first of all, start with self-love. As I mentioned in part 1, if you haven't watched part 1, so listen the true story behind what was basic reason that how I started increasing my bust size naturally. So listen the video as well. And another thing, we will start with the self-love. And as I mentioned in a part 1 as well, when you stand in front of mirror, when you change your clothes, you do, first of all, you do mirror talk. Mirror talk is really powerful. Mirror talk is like you are appreciating each and every part of your body, you accepting yourself as you are. It is very important to accept who you are. When you do not accept, do not make a peace where you are, then you cannot move forward. And I have done 2 videos on this topic, and I will add in a description below so you can see the details. So because when you are at a peace, then you are in a much better position to create any change in your life, because you have a good reason. You love the feeling of having a better breast size or looking more feminine. You must have a positive reason why you want to do that. If you have a reason because you want to attract more boys, or you want to have attraction from opposite sex, this is not a good reason. As I mentioned in my previous part, then you will attract same type of man who only like your physical aspect of it. So always have a good reason. Good reason. For example, when you stand in front of a mirror, tell yourself why you want to have a better bust size or breast size. Because I love the reason of looking more feminine, because I love to feel more feminine, because I love to wear the skirt size I was looking in a shop, because I love to look slim. I love the feeling of being slim. I love the feeling of looking more fit and stylish and more feminine. So you need to start from the state of love, not from the hate. I don't like a small bust size, I want to change it because I look very slim. This is not a good reason. I want to have a good bust size because boys do not look at me, I am not attractive. No, this is not a good reason. Always start with the love. So change your focus. When negative thoughts come up, change your focus. Why you want to have a good bust size, and what is a good reason behind. That is a number 1 tip. And next one is, you can visualize yourself. Visualization is a powerful tool. I have done few videos on visualization, like take a picture of a lady with a good figure, and instead of her face, visualize your face in it. And when you go for shopping, visualize yourself in the nice figure lady. Sometimes you see in shops, they have like a models, and they have a nice figures, and they're wearing different dresses. See yourself, imagine yourself in that place. So visualization is very important tool. And then sometime, especially before you go to bed, you can do scripting. You can write few lines that I love the feeling of looking more feminine. And when you go in front of mirror, you do, even though you have a smaller breast size, say, I am really happy and grateful for having a wonderful breast size. That's what I used to do. Stand in the front of mirror, I am grateful as well, and I'm saying, I love my happy and healthy bigger breast size. I love the feeling of having a bigger breast size. So you are saying thanks in advance. So this exercise is very powerful. When it comes to food, especially for the ladies, food that containing estrogen hormone, they are good for increasing the bust size. What is estrogen? estrogen is a hormone that enhances the feminine features. Feminine features like a bust size, longer hair, and a feminine voice. So when you eat a food that containing estrogen, that naturally enhance your bust size as well, because that is one of the feminine feature. So the food that contain estrogen is including, I like soya milk that contain highest amount of estrogen. You can use soya in your food. And then another one is tofu has high amount of estrogen as well. And next one is papaya, especially raw papaya. If you can make a milkshake of papaya, if you can possibly drink it. I haven't drink personally, but scientific research has shown, and many people have shown that when they drink raw papaya milkshake, then and not cooked one, so it helped to enhance the feminine feature. So another food is coffee. Caffeine, it increases estrogen level as well. And then herbal tea is very good for feminine features, and for the human body it is good anyway. So because it help you during menopause as well, and enhance your estrogen level as well. That will help you to enhance your feminine features, and including bust size naturally. Another one on my list is acupuncture points. These are very good to stimulate the estrogen hormone in your body naturally. These acupuncture points, they are located, one is located in between our fingers, right over here. You can see in the center, and you can do with your thumb, you can do little massage in between these fingers, two fingers over this point with your thumb. And another point is in your index finger, in center part here. You can do massage here a few times a day when you are free, or when you have some time, even in a cinema, or whenever you have few minutes, you can do massage over this point and this point. These increase your estrogen level naturally. So you can add some supplements in your food, such as fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek supplement you can buy, and as a seed form you can use in your food as well. So supplement, when you take, you will see massive change within 2-3 weeks. However, when you stop taking these supplements, your bust size reduce, which I do not prefer basically. However, you can use them in your food. And another thing is asparagus. Asparagus is high nutrition food and help to increase your estrogen level, and you can take asparagus as a salad and in your food. They will enhance your estrogen level. And that was my video for today, and hope you learned something new. And as I mentioned, I love to hear your comments, and I would love to hear which tip is helpful for you, which food you are going to include in your diet, which exercises you're going to prefer, and what result did you get. I would love to hear. And must watch part 1 and the previous video I did about how to increase bust size, and true story I mentioned, and I mentioned some visualization and some processes that I personally used to increase the bust size. So I will love to hear from you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.